Hi everyone, happy Monday. I want to talk to you today about mimicry in the animal world. So today I'm dressed up like a giraffe. I'm mimicking a giraffe. That's why I have my little giraffe horns right here. So mimicry is when you're one kind of animal and you pretend to be another kind of animal so that you can be sneaky and fool everybody. There's a bird called the fork-tailed drongo, and it makes the same sound as a meerkat emergency call, alert call, so that the meerkats think that there's danger and they run away, and then the bird can steal their food. So I said tricky. And baby cheetahs. I'm sure you've seen baby cheetahs with their fluffy, fluffy blonde fur on top of their body. And they're very, very fuzzy. And when mom goes to hunt or something and leaves baby alone, then they curl up in a ball and they look like a honey badger. And nobody's gonna mess with a honey badger, so that's pretty smart. Nobody's gonna wanna mess with that baby cheetah if they think it's a honey badger. And maybe you've seen milk snakes and coral snakes. They're the red and black and yellow and white striped snakes. And the coral snakes are poisonous. And they have the yellow touching the black. So the milk snake has red touching black, and they are not poisonous, but they look like the coral snake, so that maybe you will think twice before touching them. So they want you to think that they're the poisonous coral snake so that you leave them alone. Most animals just want to be left alone. That's usually why, or they want to eat like the bird, the drongo, with the meerkat food. So it's pretty simple. And there are a couple of bugs that do these things as well. There's the hoverfly, which is very harmless. It's a lot like a housefly, but it's yellow and black and it looks like a wasp. So again, it just wants to be left alone, so it makes you think that it's a wasp and it can sting you, so you don't want to mess with it, but it can't actually sting you. And then the monarch butterfly. The monarch butterfly is actually poisonous to birds, so if a bird eats it, it makes the bird vomit. So the bird doesn't want to eat any more monarch butterflies. And there are other butterflies in monarch that are orange and black and look very similar to the monarch butterfly. They can't make a bird puke, but they look like a monarch, so if a bird has eaten a monarch before, they're not going to want to eat that butterfly or moth either. So lots of mimicry so that you can't be bothered, even if you can't poison or sting to defend yourself, or it's a way to get food. So if another animal thinks you're harmless or something like that, then they'll leave you alone and you can get close enough to maybe sneak up and pounce and eat them because they're yummy. So I'm just dressed up like a giraffe because giraffes are cute and I want to be cute. Not that I want to be left alone or anything. So I hope you have a great week. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next Monday. Thanks.